What is the nervous system made up of? So we've been talking about the nervous system and how it is responsible for coordination, but what it is really made up of, we still have not covered. So we have two types of nervous systems. We have the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. And these two work together to produce the general nervous system that we talk about. So the central nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord. They are at the center of our nervous system. This is the brain, and we see that the spinal cord extends from it. The nerves that are connected to the brain are called cranial nerves, and the nerves that are connected to the spinal cord are called spinal nerves. And that is important for us to remember for later on. And now the peripheral nervous system consists of sensory division and motor division. The sensory division is going to contain sensory neurons and sense organs, and the motor division is going to contain the motor neurons and the effector organs, which are going to produce the response.